Hello, my little stars. How are you all? Today I have started the second part of chapter 6, that is stepwise thinking. I hope you have seen the chapter 1. So, as usual, before starting chapter 1, part 2, we will take a quick recap what we have learned in chapter 1 video. In part 1 video, we have seen problem, analysis the problem, okay, and then 4 basic steps to solve a problem. So in this part we will start with algorithm. Algorithm basically means to write something stepwise. A algorithm is a set of steps to solve a problem, that is breaking up the task in simple steps. In other words, if I can say that if we have a big problem and if we want to solve it, we should break it in small pieces and solve the problem one by one. Okay, let's take example and understand what is algorithm. Suppose we want to make a cup of tea. Everyone know what is tea, okay? So if you want to make a tea, what we will do, we need utensils, okay, the utensil in which we make the tea, then some ingredients like milk, sugar and tea leaves. This is the main ingredients. And after having the utensil and the ingredients, we switch over to the process, means how we can make the tea. So in step 1, we will switch on the gas stove. Okay, firstly we will switch on the gas stove. Then in step 2, put the utensil on gas. Okay, then put all the ingredients in the utensils, let it boil. Then the step 5 is strain it and serve. This is the process how to make the tea. Process of doing something in a stepwise properly is called algorithm. Okay, so in tea making, I shown you the steps of doing the things one by one in a small steps, and at last we will get our tea. So this is the way to do something, and to doing something one by one is called algorithm. Now our second topic is flowchart. Flowchart, as name it is shown that something is going in a flow way. Flowchart is a pictorial representation of the steps of any algorithm. Means if we show something in a picture form, जैसे हमने algorithm में step wise बताया, one by one we have make the tea in a written way, okay, stepwise way. So in flowchart we will show any work in a flow way, in a pictorial way, okay. So first we will see symbols of flowchart. There are mainly 4 symbols which we will use in flowchart. The first is oval. Oval shapes known as terminator is used to start and end the flowchart. Now the question arises, what is terminator? Terminator means to start something or to stop something. So when we start drawing the flowchart, the first symbol is oval, okay, and the last symbol is also oval, means start and stop. Our next symbol is arrow. Arrow are used to tell the direction of flow of execution, means after the first work what will be the second work, it show about with the help of arrow. As example, if you want to tell anyone a direction, what we will do, we will make an arrow to go left side or right side or up or down. In flowchart also, if you want to tell the work of the direction, means after which work, then which is the next one, we will use the arrow. Now the next is rectangular. Rectangular shape is used for denoting process or action, means if we are doing something which no need to take a decision, that's either yes or either no, then we will use the rectangular. Now the next step is rhombus or diamond shape. If we observe this diamond shape, what we will see, there are 4 corners. These corners are used to attach with the arrow shape. Remember arrow shape? Okay. So if we want to show the direction, we will attach that arrow shape here. And now what diamond shape do? Rhombus or diamond shape is used for depicting decision making. Means if yes, then go this side. If no, then do this. So if we want to do or take decision in yes or no, then we will use this shape. Now let us understand with the help of an example. Suppose after returning home from school, we have to check the maths homework. This is the another problem, okay? Now we will see with the help of algorithm and flowchart how to solve this problem. Let's see. First we will see with the help of algorithm. Step 1, as I have told, in algorithm we will work with stepwise. We will start with step 1, stepwise. Take out the maths book, notebook and pencil box. Okay. Step 2, check if any homework is given that day. Step 3, if yes, means if homework is given, then try to solve it. And what we will do to solve it? A, are you able to solve it? B, if yes, then solve it in your fair notebook, and after solving, finally keep the notebook back in bag. C, if not, then take help of an elder and solve it in our fair notebook. Finally keep notebook back in bag. You can see there are 2 things, yes and no. Okay, means we will use here rhombus symbol. Okay. Now the final step is step 4. If there is no homework, by mistake there O is written, there will be no. If there is no homework, then close the notebook and keep it back in your bag. This is the final steps, final process of solving the maths homework, whether it is given or not. Okay, so what I have done, I have first written the algorithm stepwise, one by one, and now we will move to our next topic, that is flowchart. Now see how to convert this algorithm in a flowchart. Now see the flowchart. First see this picture carefully. You can first observe the symbol. The first symbol is oval symbol, yes, in purple color, where it is written start. Then arrow, which is denoting to the downside. Then that rectangular box. After then the decision box, diamond box or rhombus. Then arrow, rectangular. So these are the 4 symbols what we have used in flowchart. Now see how to make the flowchart. First symbol is start. Then we see, means move to the downside. Then rectangular symbol where it is written take out maths book, notebook and pencil box. So this is the step. Take out maths book, notebook and pencil box. After we will move to downside because arrow is indicating to the downside. Then the diamond shape. Is there any homework? If it is written is there any homework, means the answer will be either yes or either no. Okay. If yes, then try to solve it. And if no, then see what happened. Now see to the no side, it is indicating to the right side. Okay, means if no, then we will have to move right side. What is it? It is written in the rectangular box. Close the notebook. Means what we have to do? Is there any homework? No, there is no homework. Then we will have to close the notebook. And this is not the end. Okay, we will move to the downside. If yes, there is the second diamond box which is again saying, are you able to solve it? Then if yes, I'm able to solve it, then come to the downside, solve it in fair notebook. Okay, this is the process, means we are doing something, so we have used rectangular box. Solve it in fair notebook. Then keep the notebook in your bag. I am saying keep the notebook in your bag. There is no yes, no. Okay, no question is there, means we will use rectangular box. We keep the notebook in our bag. And the last is again the terminator symbol, oval symbol, that is stop. Now come to the no position. See to the no part. In no, it is written take help from an elder. Okay, are you able to solve it? No. No means we have to do something else. So what we will do, take help from an elder. Okay, then the where arrow is going, then see the arrow is going to the next rectangular where it is written solve it in fair notebook. Then keep the notebook in your bag and then stop. Now if you analyze this flow chart, what you will see that all the process is same as it is written in algorithm, but we have shown with the help of some diagrams, with the help of pictorial representation. This is algorithm in flowchart. I hope you have understand these two topics. This is the most important topic of this chapter. This all chapter is depend on this two topic, that is algorithm and flowchart. We have learned today algorithm, example of tea making, flowchart, symbols of flowchart, and flowchart of maths homework completion. Not only flowchart, we have seen the algorithm also of maths homework completion. So it's time to say goodbye. But before saying goodbye, please see this video twice, thrice and understand the topic. Till then, enjoy your day. Stay safe. Solve all the worksheets. We will meet very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.